Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Edit. This is another nice one from our AI guys, and I use it like a watch list, okay? I don't auto trade. There's not going to be any auto trading at all. But this showed up at 679. Edit has some news today that I think that I'm looking at strengthens their board of directors with an appointment of somebody. Obviously, the market loved that. So the AI pegged that one right at 679 to go long. And before it had any sort of a pullback, it got up to 759, which is a tremendous percentage move. Pull back a little bit, bounce up again to the highs. When I look left on the weekly chart, I mean, this is where it could stall, okay? The 768 level, it got up to what, 764? That's where it could stall. But if it can get through that, then, look left again. $8 is, maybe doable. Anyway, that is what made it great. Had some room to run, had a little press release, and the AI caught it early. Okay, everybody, want to get back in the room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.